everybody, welcome back to my habitat. Today we're going to use this weird thing and we're going to make a fall wreath. Is our wreath form. I got this for like $1.75 at the dollar store. You can find them at the craft store. You can find them really anywhere. They're really cheap. My design, I'm thinking, is kind of to take this burlap, wrap it around like so, and then kind of so like this all the way around, and then take some of our pretty stuff that I have, like these, and kind of make like a side thing like that, with maybe more stuff at the bottom of these things. What I don't like about this is the fact that it's not thick and that it looks very thin. So I think underneath this layer, I'm gonna go around with another layer of burlap to thicken it up. Really try to figure out how to hook this on. Now, of course I have hot glue, because hot glue is what you need in every kind of arts and crafts situation. Let's go get a little bit more of an angle. Here this hot! Here we go, I have attached that with some hot glue. And now I'm just gonna wrap it around. There we go. Okay, a little bit more hot glue. Hot glue does the trick every time. Okay, now I guess same thing as I need to glue this onto the other burlap so it actually attaches. I'm making like a tail of a kite. There we go. Now I'm just going to do the exact same thing and wrap it all over again. Okay, you know what? I like that. Now all I have to do is glue it. Now it's time to actually put some decoration on this for fall. Let me show you what I'm working with. I believe this is a lotus pod, I could be wrong, but it's the very kind of pretty structures you see a lot in fall. These two, I don't know what they are, they're some sort of dried flower or corm or something, but very beautiful orange color. I love that to actually bring color into the piece. I'm relying on those a lot. Some paper flowers that are purple with a little bit of dusting of gold. Really simple decorative wire with some little beads. And of course some more burlap twine. I can put on this stuff one of two ways. Number one is I can just take my decorative stuff and kind of glue it on in order. Option number two is very simply that I make almost like a little boutonniere for the wreath on the side and then put it on. I like the option number two because I think it leaves me more room for, I don't know, inspiration to strike, I guess. Because it's gonna be a little bit messy, I think, you know, playing around with the things taking off, and I'd rather me not mess up my form that I've already made and finished.
I do like how that's turning out.
I have a little bit of black wire that I think I'm going to use to put it on. Okay, cut that there. Okay, let's see if I can. Okay, so far that, and I think I'm gonna continue down that way. I'm really liking how this is turning out, but I think I might try adding some moss. I do have a chunk of green moss here. And I'm thinking maybe just a little bit of wire just to hold on the moss. I have this little fake dahlia flower that I think I'm gonna actually extend the moss and maybe add that with one or two more of the little flowers just to make this a little bit bigger, because I think it's, without it, is kind of small. I'm thinking, yeah, just like that. I really like that. I think that is ready for the door. Do a little bit of a shake test. Beautiful. Beautifully. I love how that turned out. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's beautiful. I love that. Till next time, guys, keep having fun.